Yep. So chemical stripping is done. I've got some wet stuff still I've got to take out still. Excuse me. But much of the paint is off. And you can see wording it up. So overall, all this orange stuff, by the way, is either primer or the old red paint. It's not rust. I haven't come across any rust at all on the old girl. I'm not sure if I'm going to put down any more. Oh, good. There's some good solid red. I'm not sure I'm going to put down any more paint. I mean stripper. Instead, I am likely to let this stuff dry up, and then I'll take off what's left. I mean, I can, let's see. Yeah, it's already dry. Whoops. Damn it. Do it all the time. Here's a piece I just pulled off. And it comes off really easy. I can get the rest of this with a wire wheel or a flapper disc, although that's probably too aggressive. And I'd be darn sure to wear a hell of a lot of respirators and dust masks and so forth. You know, if there's any of this stuff that dries up and ends up in my lungs, ooh, lights out. So, this is it. Oh yeah. Here's some rust areas that I had wire wheeled out. Did a really good job too. I got all the rust out. I have yet to do any, what do you call it, phosphoric acid on the gutters. Did all that this morning, but I'm not going to do that just now. And again, you're not looking at rust, you're looking at either primer or washed out red. The original color of this car washed out with this, what do you call it, the paint stripper. So I put multiple coats of that stripper on this area here. I am convinced that what you're looking at in this area here, I'm almost certain it's Bondo, or it's filler of some sort. So I don't know if filler is used to, I shouldn't say that. This filler here isn't very thick. I know that for a fact because I've dug into it. So I don't know if this stuff was used to fill in scratches or what. I guess I'll find out at some point. But yeah, shit. Got some in there. Oh well. Clean that off. I'm done. I am done stripping. The stuff I used for the body is Goof Off, and it says it works in 15 minutes. That's actually not true. It works more like 5 or 4. See, it's even taking off its own stuff. I have not looked at the back to see what. Let's see, chemical resistant gloves, metal container applied with a paintbrush. After 15 minutes, scrape. Use a clean abrasive pad dipped in afterwash or odorless mineral spirits. I got mineral spirits. To loosen remaining finish and remove any residue, surface should be completely clean and dry before applying new finish. Cleanup. Return unused stripper to the original container. The work area and tools can be cleaned up with soap and water. Wash arms and hands with cold water and soap. Yeah. But what I am really curious about, what do I use? You know, what do I do to neutralize the stuff if I even need to? Good question. That's all in. Obviously, that's German. Yeah, I guess I'll have to look it up. Product information hotline. Yeah. All right. Well, cool.